today I get to show you my son's Lego puzzle box. Yeah, and here's what it looks like. There. Yeah, so I get to show you how to solve it. Yeah, so let's go. And so the first thing you need to do is slide this piece like this. Why are you sliding that? This piece is going to come out. Here, when I push this piece back, this piece is going to come out. Come like this way. And then just push it. This piece right here is going to come out. Yeah, like that. So I can pull it back, push this in. Slide this, that's going to come out. Yeah. And now, take this piece. And so push this piece this way, like that. Here, push this in, and here's what behind looks like. So pull it out. That. Then now, slide this piece. Slide this piece this way, just like that. Yeah, like that. So slide that piece that way. Now put this piece in here. Yeah, when you push it in, this piece behind going to come out. So keep pushing, it's going to come out. Pull that piece out and pull this piece out too. Then there. And now take one of this key. Put it into this hole right here. There. Here, this hole right here. Like that. Push it in. Then now take this piece again. Put it into there. There. When you push it, this piece is going to come out, and this is your prize. There. And now pour it out. This piece in here. There. 2 gold. Here. It's inside right here. You can put it back like that. There. Then, so to reset it, so first pour 2 of this piece out. Then put your prize back in here. You only could put 2 of them in. Maximum 2 of them. Yeah, just like that. Your purchase go in. Then put it in here. That. Now take one of this piece. Put it in there. There. Now slide this piece over here. There. And then put this piece back in here. There. Okay. And so now put this piece back in here. And then slide this piece back like that. And yeah, so that is my 7th Lego puzzle box. I hope you guys enjoy, and bye bye.